In front of me is Nokia 1.3, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now reach display. Here you need to click wallpaper, and now it's time to select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. Here you've got some albums, so you can pick art, cityscapes, earth, life, textures, landscapes, on-device wallpapers, or even one from your own photos. And let me choose, for example, cityscapes. Now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can pick, for example, this one. Here you can check how it will look like. You can also customize it, so you can make it smaller, bigger. And actually, I'm not sure if I don't want this one. Let me pick, for example, that one. I think that's more beautiful. And then click on Set Wallpaper. Finally, decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick both. And as you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.